Hi, I'm Martin Sabanya from Entrepreneur Beach Club Philippines TV, and we're here A Space for Cebu Business Connections. I'm here with Sam.
Yep.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Sam Cross. I've been living here in Cebu for 5 years, and I have a technology business. Specifically, I have a SaaS, which is software as a service company, and we sell a subscription plan which allows business to business, so we're B2B, and allows people to data mine information without getting blocked. So traditionally, when you try to scrape data off the internet, there are certain restrictions. So
what kind of data?
So it can be anything. So a lot of people they want to say get data from Amazon. Let's say Amazon.com. They want to get pricing information so they can compete on different products. However, Amazon, they limit the amount of times that you can say request this information before they see that you're like doing automated responses. So what companies do is they purchase a subscription through me, and they send a request to my servers, and then my servers distribute these requests through different proxy networks, and which are completely unblocked. So this allows companies to mine data about millions or tens of millions of products without getting blocked. And this is what so there are other tools, other companies that use my service to predict pricing information and gather data and intelligence based on that for their consumers, essentially.
And how long have you been doing this?
So I started it about 8 years ago, and
here in Philippines?
No, not here. Originally in Melbourne, Australia, just by myself, so just at home.
I've been to Australia a few months ago.
Oh, where did you go?
To Sydney, just visiting my sister.
Very nice place. Yeah, that's cool.
It's cold right now.
Yeah, it's cold, very cold. Yeah. So I started like 8 years ago, and it went horribly. Like every kind of like fail kind of thing you could do, that's what happened to me. It took like a year and a half. I was like, I've been a programmer, so I was programming it, and kind of was working, kind of wasn't. I like hired other people. I was also like working to get it going, but it still wasn't it. It was like, I probably had to do like 6 iterations before it kind of even started working. And then it kind of just like got some customers at the start, very luckily. There wasn't a lot of competition, so it was good. But yeah, so it's been like 8 years in development, and I still feel like I'm learning things every day.
Why did you choose this business?
So originally it was because I was in the SEO industry.
Okay.
So like I was wanting to build backlinks for my own like affiliate sites to make money, and I needed like proxies, and I needed to get around restrictions. So I was building it for myself so I could get an edge. And then as soon as I built it, a friend said, "Oh, you should sell this." And then
that gave you a light bulb.
yeah, I was like, yeah, actually, like there's a lot of bugs and it doesn't work too well, but it seems like people are willing to pay for it. And and then it kind of just progressed every month from there on. But yeah, like I said, it's like wasn't a clean start at all.
And why do you choose here in Philippines?
I would like to say.
Are you gonna be here long?
Yeah, so I mean, I've been here for 5 years. But originally I just came here because one of my friends from Melbourne, he was here building another technology business, and I'd never even heard of Cebu, to be honest.
Yeah.
I didn't even know what Philippines was like,
yeah.
But he told me it's great, so I came over, and then I met the people, and like I saw, this is the kind of place that people are trying to do new things. Like it's actually quite development of lots of new innovations and things like that. Yeah, so I mean that's also why I stuck around. So yeah, just the great space that it is.
What tip can you give to those who also are planning to have a business, like a technology business?
Yeah, so I reckon the biggest thing is just like don't give up. Like the biggest thing is you're gonna screw up heaps, and some people take that really badly. But like, just expect that you're gonna screw up, and just don't think of it as screwing up. Just think like, okay, I just figured out that what I thought might work doesn't work, but maybe the next one, like really just learn from each iteration and just keep going. Also, don't be afraid to like jump into really competitive things, because if something's competitive, there's already money there, and ultimately that's what will help you grow. Yeah, so
thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Hey guys, this is Martin from Entrepreneur Beach Club Philippines TV, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.